Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is my face, hello everyone. Right, so today we're going to be doing a thorough overview, looking through all the manuals, just looking at the machine, on my brand new Hotpoint WMA58S, which I received on the 31st of August. I collected it, and I unboxed it on the 1st of September. And it did its first few washes. Now, I'm releasing these videos in order, so the first video is a low quality unboxing to match this machine's time. Next video is the high quality, now is the overview. Next I'm going to upload the main wash, and then it will just be more often, more consistent uploads from me. All the other bits of information, if you have any questions then please check the description below, and hopefully I'll answer some in that, and if I haven't answered them then please feel free to comment. The way the videos can go, I'll just show you around the machine now, and at the end there'll be a load of photos of the manuals, each and every page, but that's at the end of the video so you can go through it and see for yourself. So, my face. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm sick of hiding it, to be fair. Loading the machine, so I have to put my hood up and like squat down so you don't see my face, and it's just like never really properly showing it, and it's doing other stuff like destructions and having to blur it out. I'm sick of doing it. So here's my face once before. If you see it again then don't be surprised. So I may as well get into this now. So final thing, I'm just going to go through all the manuals at the end. I'll just do separate photos. I'll go around the machine now and just show you everything on it really. Don't expect much of these sit downs, but I mean if I'm doing a review or something then I probably will. Like I said, I'm just getting it out of the way so I don't have to blur it in the future because I'm sick of blurring it. So here we go then. Alright, so here's the machine. You've got your typical side panels. Underneath these two things are screws. Hold the lid on. That's its plug. That's its strainers. That's its dual cold. I've still got this hot and cold fill hoses behind it as well. So that's the drawer front. Side immaculate, this always collects water underneath there. And there's inside there also immaculate. So, got your programs, door, you've got your kick strip as well, which is just there. It doesn't do anything because it doesn't have a filter, it just makes it look tidy. So you got your door handle, drum, scratchers, sand wash zips in it yet. You've got seal, immaculate, darker because it's a 58S. You've got different colours for 58N, which is natural linen, more shade natural linen. 58P is brighter, polar white. This one's darker because it's a 58S. Same with other WMAs. There's a tiny, no, there's two tiny scratches there from its first wash. And there's a tiny scratch there from its first wash as well. Both are extremely not visible. I guess it was just excited on its first wash. It hadn't done anything like it since. I've shown you the drum, it's immaculate. I think I've only put like a couple of scratches on it by accident. I mean every machine put micro scratches on. Nah, when I got that was all rusty. Shame, but oh well, you don't see it when the door's shut. It's got this slight infection in the paint there. I think it's always been like it. It's like flush with the paint. I just don't know what it. Slight infection maybe. Don't know if other WMAs have it. Anyway, that's the machine in all its glory. Yeah, so we'll go through the programs now, and then we will move on to the manuals. So there's the control. So we've got temperature. Programs and temperatures, we've got the options, we've got temperature dial, spin dial. So I'll set you up and then we'll start going through these programs. Okay, so turning it on. Program A is only a pre-wash and it will just do a pre-wash. And then you turn it to your cycle you want to do your main wash on. The only options it has are mini loads, time saving, reduced creases. You can't have reduced creases with time saver, but you can have it with mini load. Program B, white cotton 95, you can have most options, but you can't have reduced creases. That of course goes up to 95, that goes up to 1400. C, that is colour fast cotton. This is the cycle that gets it its NG rating. It's a new logo because this was one of the final WMAs made. It was still around when like WS and stuff were coming out. So WMA58 got an A back in its day. I'm sure it would probably be like an E now. maybe even lower. 60 degree, no options, 60 degree wash used with, I'm presuming full load, used 1.045 kilowatts. I think that's wash performance, or NG. I think that's spin performance, so B, spin performance. Correct me if I'm wrong. 1400 max spin for that cycle, 6 max kilogram for the machine and that cycle, and 60 degree for that cycle. So 60 maximum temperature. You can have them options. You can't have reduced creases. By the way, as well, C is the only program that does 1 minute hold at 1400 for the final spin. The rest of the ones that can do 1400 only do 5 seconds. Right, program D. It allows these options, does not allow reduced creases. Max temperature is 40, max spin is 1400. D. E is 1000 RPM. E does 30 and it allows all options except reduced creases. F. So F is colour synthetic 50. So that allows 50, that allows
800.
That allows reduced creases, but of course you can't have it in conjunction with time saver. So that allows all options basically. G.
Acrylics.
So that allows 40.
800.
You can have all options, but you can't have reduced creases and time saver together. H, machine washable, that allows time saver, doesn't allow extras, doesn't allow, so they're the only 2 options it allows. So machine washable, 40 degree,
1000 RPM.
Time saver, mini load of the only options you can have. J, silks, so you can have all options, but you can't have reduced creases and time saver together as everything. And this is a 30 wash. And of course doesn't allow these 2 together, but can have all options.
It also does an 800 spin.
K, fast wash. So this allows all options except time saver. This does 35 degrees and
800 RPM.
hand wash L. Final cycle. It allows them 2 options only, and it does a 25 degree wash with
600 RPM.
So that's that. We've got this, so this is basically a drain only. If you're washing, you want to change the program, you start that. It will drain out the wash water and end, so you can switch it to a different program. Rinse and spin. This allows all options except time saver. Fast spin. This allows only them 2 options. I think, yeah, fast spin's 1200. Slow spin, I'd say 800, but I'm not sure. And that only allows them 2 options. So, also as well, which is quite funny, ABCFGHR, it doesn't have an I. It does not have an I. ABCGEFGHJKL. So there you go. That's that. I will now show you the manuals, but this is my final time talking. So, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Goodbye.